Good morning and welcome to Financial Friday, your end of week financial update from your credit union. Good morning. I am Crystal Parker, Financial Education and Community Outreach Ambassador, and it is so good to see you today. Today, we're talking about the benefits of having an auto loan pre-approval. This is a question we regularly get from members, wondering that if they are beginning that car buying process, do they need to have a pre-approval? And the answer is yes and no. You don't have to have a pre-approval, but it can be very beneficial for you in that car buying process. And here's why. This helps the car dealership know that you are in fact ready to buy, that you are serious about this. They go into this knowing, if you're getting a loan from Henrico Federal Credit Union, that this process will be an easy and fast one, and that you've probably got the best rate that you could get, hopefully, most likely. And if they are part of the credit union direct lending system, CUDL, they know that this will be an exceptionally easy process to do a loan for you because they're used to working with us. They know how this process works, and they know that it's going to be fast and easy. So here are some things to think about when getting that pre-approval. How does this work? You can apply on our website through Apply for a Loan. You could do this on digital banking, applying for a loan. You can make a phone call into our contact center and speak with one of our representatives, or you can make an appointment in our branches to speak with somebody and sit down and do that process. Our lending team is here during business hours, so they are ready and waiting to help you to make this process as quick and easy as possible. The important thing to know is that when you have that pre-approval, you know what your loan rate's going to be. You've already talked with someone to figure out, based on your debt to income ratios, what can you afford? Making sure that you're not borrowing more than you can truly afford to borrow. And you go into the dealership knowing, this is what I want to spend, no more, maybe less. Ideally, we can get a really great price, but you go into this knowing this is what I can spend and I'm not going to spend any more. And it helps with some of those conversations you have with the dealership because they know this is your limit. They may try to sell you on a newer, better, more expensive car, but they would have to go through a whole process of determining if you were eligible for more money. And so that might help save you. So it makes the process easier. You know what you can spend. The dealership knows that you are ready. You are a serious car buyer, and it makes the process a whole lot faster. The dealerships love working with credit unions in the CUDL system, such as Henrico and Bellwood, because they know it's going to be fast. It actually helps them financially, but it saves you money because we ensure that this is at no additional cost to you. We want to take care of our members and make this process as easy for you as we can. So, should you get a pre-approval? It's never a bad idea. It's definitely not required. If you go to a CUDL dealership, we're in that system and they'll be able to see what our rates are, but it helps you in making that process faster, a serious buyer at the dealership, and someone that they want to take seriously. We hope this was helpful for you and that you will join us again for another Financial Friday. Have a great week, everybody. See you next Friday at 9:30. Take care.